Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good day to everyone. This is a recorded lecture for topic forecasting in management science. Okay. So previously in the lecture class, we already go through this example one in the lecture notes. So for this recording, so I will show you how to solve the example 2 in your lecture notes. Okay, so this is example 2. We have the forecast demand for 4 quarter. Then you need to calculate the forecast demand for 4 quarter of 2023 by using the trend regressions line and also seasonal variations factor through moving average techniques. So if you can see from this actual data, so it gave you from year 2016 until 18. So you need to find the 2023. So what is the forecast for year 2023? So that's mean you have 2019, 2020, up until 2023. So every year got 4 quarter, 4 quarter. We also have 2021 4 quarter, 2022 4 quarter, 2023 also 4 quarter. So the times T here is up to 20. Okay, 4, 8, 12, 16 and 20. So we will look at this later on. The first thing to solve this problem is you need to rearrange this data into the vertical table. Okay, remember we have here quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4. So you need to develop a table that have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 column. Okay, we have here Q referred to the quarter. Okay, Q referred to the quarter. Demand is from the actual value here. And then we need to sum the 4 quarter, sum the quarter to become the center. And then we find the moving average. And then this is the X. X represent the time of the quarter. And then this is the value, actual minus Y. So actual is from the demand, Y is from the moving average. So we need to rearrange back the data from the given table here. Okay, we need to arrange back this value. Okay, so you need to write this as 2016. Starting 2016, then you have quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4. Okay, what else? We have 2017. Okay, we have 2017. Same thing. Okay, quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4. And then the last one is 2018. Quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4. Okay, then the demand from this. You have 44 for 2016, 44, 80. Okay, 44, 80, 120, 60. So rearrange this into vertical table here. So we have 44, 80, 120, 60. And then another year is 52, 88, 126, 62. And then the last year is 60, 98, 140, 68. And then we need to sum the value of the actual for 4 quarter. Okay, represent 4 quarter. So you will have starting here 1, 2, 3, 4. So you need to sum all of this value. Okay, So 44 plus 80 plus 120 plus 60. Okay. So the summation of this is 304. So you need to put the value of 304, okay, in the middle of this 4 value. So where is the middle part of this 4 value? Here. Okay, so this is the middle part, the center of the 4 value here. So you need to fill up the value of the summation here. The answer for the summation is 304. And then same step, repeat. We need to exclude the first one. So you need to sum this one. Okay, sum all of the value here, then put in the middle of the part here. So this one 80 plus 120 plus 60 plus 52 is 312. Okay, so this is 312. And then to get the middle part here, okay, it's actually 312 minus 80. Okay, 312 minus 80 plus 88. So you get that is actually 320. Same step to fill up this middle part. Okay, this middle part. So this is the summation of the value. So 60 plus 52, 88 plus 126. So you get this is 326. This is 328. This is 336. This is 346. This is 360. And then the last center here. Why last? Why this is the last part? Because this is the end of the summation for quarter. Okay, you don't have any more value here, so we can stop when we add the summations. So it stop here, the value, which is 366. The summation is 366. So this is 360. Okay, so you got the middle part. Now we need to sum the value to make sure it becomes center. So C here represent the center. Okay, so the center value of the 4 quarter summations, this is the place where you need to fill up. I highlight first. Okay, that's it. So we need to fill up that. Sorry, this is 41. This is 42. Okay, so what is meant by 4QC? Summations of 4QC. Summations of the 4 quarter just now. Sorry. Summations of the 4 quarter. Where is it? Summation of the 4 quarter. C is you need to sum these two and then put it here. Okay, so the summation is 4 plus 2, 6, 0, 1. This is 616. And then the same step here, 312 plus 320. Okay, you need to sum this both. So that is 632. Same step, sum this both. So it's 6, 4, 6, 6, 5, 4, 6, 6, 4, 6, 8, 2, 7, 0, 6, 7, 2, 6. Okay, we already made the summations. Now we need to find the moving average. Okay, so we need to divide the value of the center by 8. So why 8? Because the summation here, each of the number here represent the summation of 4 number. So if you add these two, so it's actually summation of 8 numbers. Okay, summations of 8 numbers. So that's why we need to divide this value by 8. 616 divided by 8. So 616 divided by 8, you get this is 77. 632 divided by 8 is 79. 646 divided by 8 is 80.75. This is 80.75. 81, sorry. 83, 85.25. 88.25, 90.75. Okay, now we have X for the moving average. Represent 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, up until this is 9, this is 10. Okay, and then the actual. So the actual minus Y is the value of the seasonality later on. So it's actually 120 minus 77. Minus 77, you get this is 43. And then 60 minus 79 is negative 19. 52 minus 80.75. So this is negative 28.75. So repeat until the end of the column. Okay, done. Done that part. Okay, now this is the formulation. If you see here, I already explained to you how to use your calculator, okay, to get the value of A and B for the linear regressions. So we can find A and B from the calculator part, but we will leave it that first. So you need, the first thing I want you to do is to develop the seasonality of table, seasonality table. Okay, seasonality table. So the value of seasonality is coming from this part. Okay, so this value, you need to rearrange this value back, become like this. So you have year, you have quarter. So we need to rearrange back the value here, put into the table like this. Okay, so we will have a new table. Okay, a new table. Sorry, that have year, quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4. Okay, so we have here quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4, year 2016, 2018, 2019. So this one is short. Okay, so the value here, 43 starting. So what quarter is actually 43? So 43 is for quarter 3. So you need to fill up 43 at quarter 3 here. And then the next value is negative 19. And then this is for negative 28.75. This is 6.25. This is 43. This is negative 23.25. Negative 28.25. And then the last one is 7.25. Okay, so we need to find the average of this part. So for the column of every quarter, find the average of the value of the demand. Okay, so here negative 28.75 plus negative 28.25 divide by 2. So find the average. Okay, find the average. So negative 28.75 plus negative 28.25 divide by 2. This is 28.5 negative. And then the next part is 6.25 plus 7.25 divide by 2, 6.75. 43 plus 43 divided by 2, you get 43. Negative 19 minus 23.25 divided by 2, you get, this is negative 21.125. The average. Okay, so you need to sum. The next one is to sum all of the value here. Okay, you see if the value here is equal to 0, so you will not do any adjustment. So we need to sum this part first. Okay, negative 28.5 plus 6.75 plus 43 minus 21.125. Okay, so the answer here is 0.125. The answer for the summation is 0.125. Okay, so this value is not equal to 0. So how can we change this into 0? How? By minus the same value of 0.125. So we need to minus with 0.125. So this is equal to 0. So that means this is the adjustment that you need to do. Okay, you have additional value which is negative 0.125 need to be put in the value of average. So that means we have 4 value here. So we need to divide 0.125 negative by 4. So here you get this is equal to negative 0.03125. So every value of average above here, you need to plus with this value. Plus minus become minus. So you will get the new adjustment lah. Okay, adjustment of the value is negative 28.5 minus 0.03125. So you get this is negative 28.53.125. Or we can say that it's negative 28.53. Okay, 28.531. We take 3 decimal number. Okay, and then 6.75 minus 0.03125. So you get here is 6.719. 43 minus 0.03125. So you get 42.969. And then the last one is negative 21.125 minus 0.03125. So here you get negative 21.156. So this is your new adjustment of the average above here. Okay, because we want to have the number summations of here must be equal to 0. Okay, must be equal to 0. So let's try to add this value. you get this is summation of this approximately to 0 lah. Okay, the adjustment. So we done the seasonality part. So we need to find the linear regressions. Okay, the linear regressions. So we need to find A and B. Okay, we need to find the value of A and B here. Okay, so what is the information you need from the table is the X, the X and the Y here. So that is what is meant by X, Y. Okay, from your calculator, okay, so you need to press mode 2 times, and then REG, regression, is number 2, okay, and then you need to press lin 1, okay, linear, so 1. So you are under the format of linear regressions right now. So we need to key in the value of X, Y, X, Y, X, Y, X, Y, X, Y, X, Y. So how can we key in the value? So you need to press X value, which is 1, comma, Y, and then press M plus. Okay, so now we have X. For example, I have 1, so I need to comma 77, and then I press M plus. So comma also in the, you need to press lah, okay, the comma. So we need to key in the X up until 8, okay, up until 8. So we have 1, 77 M plus, 2, 79 M plus, 3, 80.75 M plus, 4, 81.75 M plus, 5, 83 M plus, 6, 85.25 M plus, 7, 88.25 M plus, 8, 90.75 M plus. Okay, so we already key in all of the value here in the calculator. So how can we call A and B? So you need to press shift, okay, number 2, and then you need to go error 2 times so that you can find A from the calculator. So A, you need to press 1, okay, press 1 and then press the equal sign. So you get A is equal to 74.79 plus, okay, B, shift again, okay, back shift, you need to press shift 2 and then error 2 times, and then B is for number 2, press 2 and then you press equal sign. So you get 1.872x. So you can get A and B from the calculator. Right now we need to find X. So X is the time of the forecast. Sorry, X is the time of forecast. So you want to forecast 2023, right? So 2018 got 2019, 2020, 2021, 2022, up until 2023. This is what you want to forecast. Okay, so here, okay, 2008, it finished at X equal to 10. Okay, X equal to 10. So 2019 is from 11 up until 14. So this is 15 up until 20, 21 up until 24. This is 24 up until 28. Okay. And 20, is it correct? So we have we have, sorry, again, this is for quarter 2018 and at quarter 4, which is x equal to 10. So 2019 starting at 11. Okay, 11, 12, 13, 11, 12, 13 up until 14. 2020, 15, 16, 17, 18. 2021, 19 up until 22. This is 23 up until 26. This is 27 up until 30. So the X for 2023 is starting 27 up until 30. So to forecast year 2023, okay, for the quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4, okay, I write it here. We want to forecast 2023, we have X1, we have X2, we have X3, we have X4. So the X value for X1 just now, sorry, X value, okay, X1 is 27 just now. The time 27, 28, 29, 30. So that is the X. That is the X that you need to put into the equation of y equal to a plus bx. So we have y equal to a plus bx. So 74.79 plus 1.872 times with x is 27. Okay, and then you have the adjustment above here. So we need to add the adjustment value here for each quarter. So this represent quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4. So we need to add this value of adjustment. So plus minus become minus 28.531. Okay, and then the second quarter 74.79 plus 1.872 times 28. So I write it first. If you want to key in already, okay, key in the value without writing up this can. Okay, so that's mean we substitute directly into the equation of this. Okay, we know that this is our linear regression, so you will have 74.79 plus 1.872x. So your x for Q1 is 27. So you get the value here is 125.334. And then when the x is 28, you get here 127.206. When x is 29, so this is 129.078. Okay, the last one is when x is 30. This is 130.95 coming from the equation here. Okay, now we need to add the adjustment. Okay, the adjustment minus 28.531. This is plus 6.719. This is plus 42.969. This is minus 21.156. So 125.334 minus 28.531 is 96.803. 127.206 plus 6.719 is 133.925. And then 129.078 plus 42.969 is 171.047. The last one would be 109.794. So this is the final answer of the problems. Okay, so that is the step to solve the linear regression with the seasonality variations. Okay, so you can try to do another part of example. So that's all from me. So thank you.